Alright, what's up guys? So I just topped off on some gas, coolant, power steering fluid, and oil. It leaks and burns a lot of gas when you're heavy on the pedal. The Wilshire right here by this beautiful church right here. And yeah, I'm about to hit up the coast right now, hit up PCH and chill out, kind of stressed out. But yeah, so let me hit the freeway and we'll be over there. To the main road to the canyon. Gonna hit it up a little bit and hopefully everything goes good. Got my mount all mounted up, so should be pretty good. Good drive. Got some good tires. Everything is all fluids.
All things and what they used to be done. All the wasted on the ocean and our eyes. Oh yeah! What they used to be. What about this overcrowded land? How much more abuse from men can she stand?
So guys, so finally made it. This is welcome to Santa Monica Hills. This is the top of Topanga overlook. So yeah, so all those nice canyons, just basically took it right through those canyons right there. Well, no, the hills on this side, and now this is the overlook. Pretty beautiful place. There's a car right there chilling. This one right here. Perfect day for some outdoor activities, but one thing is that if you go hiking with the weather like this, a lot more snakes, are out, and I've seen a lot of snakes, few dangerous ones, and yeah, it's really risky if you want to do any type of hiking right now. Alright, what's up guys? So I'm gonna post this little just update video of the channel, the car, and myself. Mikey, my boy's right here, and he's gonna jump on my lap right there. I guess he was just hot or something. Alright, so the channel's kind of doing slow because I haven't really been doing anything to my car. The truck is with my uncle up in the high desert, and now it's like kind of like a farm truck, I guess you could say, because he has a bunch of animals and he needs like supplies and food. So the truck is up there, so there's not going to be any that many truck videos. The Mini, it's drivable and everything, so she's just been driving it and doing errands, and there's really not that much stuff to do until she decides to do the body and paint, which for that car it should be done very, very you know, properly. And so as far as a car, I really don't have a lot of money to invest in the car, but I've been struggling with the channel, and the reason why for that is that well, I'm getting a new job, and I've been stressing out over it, and it's like a long process. Training, I need some type of like licensing, fingerprint, interview after interview. They keep on giving me interviews and stuff like that, and like I'm officially hired, but I've been doing all this in the matter of like past weeks. And basically it's been taking up a lot of time, and I haven't been able to really record anything, so I have really nothing to post. But on the bright side is that more money and more parts for the car, and not necessarily like fancy wheels, big brakes, and shiny anodized stuff. It's going to be more maintenance stuff, because if you look on my channel, I've done a lot of stuff to my car maintenance wise, but obviously if you drive the car every day and drive it hard and everything, things are just going to wear out. So a lot of things I already replaced probably need replacing already, and a lot of old stuff like OEM stuff, because the car is pretty much original, is already going out. And yeah, so basically, well, I'm not even looking at the camera. So basically, yeah, so the car is gonna be seeing more attention. I'm gonna, you know, focus more on the car, but it's gonna be a while from now. But until then, I'm still gonna be posting random stuff weekly as I can. But if you don't see anything, you know, don't get alarmed or anything. It's just that that's the deal, that gonna be working and stuff, and a lot more. But it's gonna be more positive stuff, much better stuff, and you could, you know, look forward to seeing better stuff. Well, yeah, so that's a little rundown on everything, and yeah. And as far as like earlier this year, I said something about a project. Well, I told you that I wasn't really gonna reveal that project, a new car. Not a new car, it was an old car, but it was a new project to the channel. I wasn't going to reveal that because I wasn't 100%. That still might be going through, maybe at the end of the year, early next year, I don't know, but still expect something. But I don't want to like put it all out there and like not have it happen at all. So yeah, make people's hopes up all high and never get it, and you know, the expectation and all that. But yeah, so that's it right there. Gonna cut it off. Really nothing to post. But yeah, if you want to see more on the car, the Integra, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys.